Students, today we are going to deal with a new concept that is called as salt hydrolysis. Okay, see, salt means you know that what it produces cation plus anion. Hydrolysis means it is water. It produces H plus as well as OH minus. Okay, salt produces ions, that is cation and anion. Hydrolysis means water, it produces H plus and OH minus. Suppose salts combine with the H plus as well as OH minus ions of water, means it is indicating that whatever the ions that are formed here, they are reacting with water and they are forming some product. So if you go for the types of salts, there are four types. One is the salt formed from the by mixing of strong acid plus strong base, salt formed from weak acid plus weak base, salt formed from strong acid plus weak base, and salt formed from weak acid plus strong base. Okay, see, on whole I am explaining here. Again we will go in deep. Strong acid plus strong base, whatever that is forming salt, it will not involve in hydrolysis. Okay, that one will not combine with water, and the remaining these three salts will combine with the water. So no hydrolysis for the salt which is formed from strong acid plus strong base. So to undergo hydrolysis in the salt, there should be at least one weak component in the salt. Okay, so at least one weak component in the salt, so it undergoes the hydrolysis, right? So let us go for the first one. What is our first one? Strong acid plus strong base. So I am taking the salt formed from the strong acid as well as strong base. So HCl is the strong acid, NaOH is the strong base, so that you are getting NaCl plus H2O. Okay, okay, this is the salt, and this one I am subjecting to hydrolysis. So this ion, what you will be getting? Na plus, from what you will be getting OH minus. So these two will combine and they form NaOH. But if you see NaOH is the stronger one. What happens? It completely gets dissociated. But this reaction is very less favored. And this one is very strongly favored because NaOH is a strong base. So it always tries to be in this condition only. It will never try to mix up. Suppose if you go for chlorine, Cl minus plus H plus, it forms HCl. HCl is a strong acid. Again, it favors the reaction in this direction. It will not come in the backward direction. Right? So this is the condition where it is will be favored. So backward condition here, it is a more thing, means in ions condition only this one will be present, so they will not combine with the ions of the water. So no hydrolysis will be done whenever if you take the salt formed from the strong acid as well as strong base. Okay, salt formed from weak acid plus weak base. If any one component of the salt is weak, it shows hydrolysis. See, the weak component is showing hydrolysis, not the strong component. Let us see now. I am taking a weak acid, HCOOH plus NaOH. So you are getting the salt. And this salt I am subjecting to hydrolysis. So in water, what are present? HCOO minus Na plus H plus OH minus. See, Na plus OH minus, these two will not combine because already we have seen in the upper case. See here, this one. It is a stronger one, so always it tries to be in the form of ions only, so this will not form. So these two are what? Weak. So these two will combine. So what happens? HCOO minus plus H plus, it combines to form HCOOH. Because this is the strong base, it forms weak acid. Weak acid, this one will get dissociated small percent. Okay, so this reaction is 95% favored, this backward reaction is less. And this one, NaOH. NaOH formation is less favored. So how NaOH will act? NaOH will act as a spectator ion. See, in simple, you see, acid is weak, base is strong. Means resultant solution should be basic only. Okay, you are taking strong base, right? So the resultant solution, the basic will be the basic solution where the pH will be greater than 7. Okay. So if you want to write the equation for the hydrolysis, only you go for the ions that will be undergo hydrolysis. We know that only weak acid, HCOO minus plus H2O, it undergoes hydrolysis, so it forms HCOOH plus OH minus. The same equation I am taking here also. See, this is the same equation, this is the same equation. Okay, for this I am writing, for writing equilibrium constant, for in terms of hydrolysis we will be calling it as KH. As salt or an ion, it is involving with water, whatever you are writing, you will be writing it as hydrolysis constant. So KH will be what? Products concentration by reactant concentration. We will not take water into the consideration. Okay, so for weak acid, you write to try, what is the weak acid? HCOOH, right? The dissociation constant is equal to HCOO minus H plus. So Ka will be equal to product concentration, this one by reactant concentration. Okay. We know that KH, we know Ka, product of these two, KH into Ka, what happens? This one is the KH value and this one is the Ka value. HCOOH will be cancelled, HCOO minus will be cancelled, H plus into OH minus. And we know that H plus into OH minus is equal to KW. Okay. Right. This is the condition. Now, the same equation, whatever I have written here. Okay. See the same equation, hydrolysis one. Now, what I am doing is, this is the weaker one, right? If I take the C concentration initially, water I am taking 0, it will not be taken into the consideration because it is taken as a reference point. So, if something gets dissociated, C minus CH, you will be getting CH, CH. So, KH will be CH into CH by C into 1 minus H. H is very, very less than 1, so that here you can neglect, CC will be cancelled and you will be getting CH square, and H will be equal to, you will be getting CH, KH is equal to CH square and H will be equal to root of KH by C. Okay. And we know that OH minus concentration is equal to CH. So, OH minus concentration is equal to CH. We want H plus, right? H plus into OH minus, I know that it is KW, and H plus is equal to KW by OH minus, and OH minus is nothing but CH KW by CH. H plus will be equal to KW by CH is equal to KW by C into KH by C, root of KH by C, because H value is, this is what I have obtained here. Okay. H value is KH by C, and I know KH is what? If I subject KH, KW by Ka. So it will be, if you cancel this in concentration, it will become root of C into KH. In KH place I am substituting KW by Ka. So KW by Ka root, if it goes upside it becomes root Ka. KW will be cancelled, so upside will be getting root KW by root concentration. So H plus will be equal to root of KW into Ka by concentration. So if you apply negative logs, you will be getting the pH. So these are the very important things, students. So H plus, and what is meant by H? We will be writing alpha, right, in terms of equilibrium. Same, this one also per mole. How many molecules have been hydrolyzed? H is equal to, like alpha only. So these are the things. KH into Ka is equal to KW, H is equal to root of KH by C, and H plus is equal to root of KW into Ka by C. This is the, students, with respect to this one. And if you go for the one more salt, that is nothing but, see, if you are understood the above one, you can easily do this. Pause the video and you do this one, salt which is formed from the strong acid and weak base. Okay, pause the video. Right, I am going to explain. If you have done, you are very good at doing this. So generally, I want the salt which is formed from strong acid plus weak base. What is the strong acid? HCl I am taking, weak base NH4OH, right? So I am getting NH4Cl plus H2O. In NH4Cl, what are the ions? NH4 plus Cl minus. Cl minus will not involve because it forms strong acid HCl. So among this, the reaction will not be present. So what will be the reaction? NH4 plus and OH minus. Okay. So among these two, this will be involved in the hydrolysis. So equation of hydrolysis, that is NH4 plus H2O. We will be writing for H2O, not OH minus. So that we will be getting NH4OH plus H plus. If you write hydrolysis constant, NH4OH into H plus concentration by H2O. Okay. Sorry, NH4 plus, because water is not taken into consideration. So if you write for the base, NH4OH, it is in equilibrium with NH4 plus OH minus, where Kb is equal to NH4 plus into OH minus by NH4OH. So KH into Kb will be equal to H plus concentration into OH minus. We know that KH into Kb is equal to KW, where NH4 plus, it is C plus water, same equation I am taking above and below this one also. I want dissociation constant, something like alpha, here it is H. So C minus CH is equal to CH, CH, KH is equal to CH into CH by C into 1 minus H. We know that H is very, very less than 1. C will be cancelled, so it will be equal to CH square by, CH square will be equal to KH, and H will be equal to root of KH by C. The same process. And H plus here, and H plus we know that it is equal to CH, and C into H is root of KH by C, and if you C is cancelled, it will become root of KH into C. And I know KH value is equal to nothing but KW by KB. So root of KW into C by KB is equal to H plus concentration, whatever that you have obtained here. Right, students? Let us take some questions regarding this and we shall solve this. Find the degree of dissociation or degree of hydrolysis, that is H value, He is asking KH value and pH value of a salt of HCOOH 0.01 molar if Ka for weak acid, that is HCOOH, is 10 power minus 4. Okay, and I am going for KH into Ka is equal to Kw. KH is equal to Ka, he has given us as 10 power minus 4. Okay, already it is mentioned here. Kw is 10 power minus 14 and KH is equal to 10 power minus 10. And if I want H, it is equal to root of KH by C. KH is how much? 10 power minus 10 by C. Concentration is 0.01, so I am getting 10 power minus 4. So KH as well as degree of hydrolysis has been cleared. And pH, H plus is taken as root of Kw into Ka by C. Kw is 10 power minus 14 into 10 power minus 4 by 10 power minus 2. So it will be equal to root of 10 power minus 16. It is equal to 10 power minus 8. pH is equal to, we have got H plus concentration and going for pH, negative log of H plus is equal to negative log of 10 power minus 8. So you will be getting plus 8. So the solution is basic. Okay students, I hope that you are understanding this. Next one, the dissociation constant of a substituted benzoic acid at 25 degrees centigrade is 10 power minus 4. Find the pH of the solution. 0.1 molar of its sodium benzoate. So options are given here. Pause the video and you try that, and you know that H plus concentration is equal to K double root of Kw by Ka into C. Pause the video, solve the answer. Right, if you have solved that, the same thing, whatever we have done, the above thing, this is the answer. A, it is the answer. Right, going for the next question. NaX 0.1 molar weak acid, it is HX. Ka is equal to 10 power minus 5. Degree of hydrolysis, he is asking H. So H we know that options he has given 0.1%, 0.01%, 0.0001%, 0.1%, 0.5%. So we know that hydrolysis degree of hydrolysis is equal to root of KH by C. It is equal to 10 power minus 9 by root of 10 power minus 1 is equal to 10 power minus 8. It is equal to 10 power minus 4. Okay. And KH value you can find out from this one. KH into Ka is equal to Kw. You know that KH is equal to Kw by Ka. 10 power minus 14 by 10 power minus 5. It is equal to 10 power minus 9. Where the percentage of hydrolysis will be getting 10 power minus 4 into 100 is equal to 10 power minus 2. So you will be getting 0.01%. Option is first one. Right. This is the students. And the last result, whatever that has been remained for us in this chapter, we will be doing this. So salt formed from the weak acid as well as weak base. So both will show the hydrolysis. I am taking the weak acid HCN plus this one NH4OH. What you will be getting the salt? You will be getting NH4CN plus H2O. And NH4CN, if you write the equation, NH4 plus Cn minus, these two will involve in the hydrolysis. What happens? You will be getting NH4OH plus HCN. Okay? And KH will be equal to NH4OH products concentration by reactant concentration. Okay, for weak acid if you write HCN, it is equal to H plus Cn minus, Ka is equal to H plus Cn minus by HCN. This is Ka value. For weak base, if you write NH4OH, NH4 plus OH minus, Kb will be equal to this one. So KH into Ka into Kb, if you write, if you will be getting H plus into OH minus, so you will be getting Kw. Okay, right. Now I am writing the same equation in the form of this one. Okay, right. Concentration is C, this one is C, water will not take, so you will be getting nothing here. So C minus CH, C minus CH, you will be getting CH, CH. So if you calculate KH, it will be CH into CH by C minus CH whole square. So if I take C square will come outside, 1 minus H whole square. Okay, C square will be cancelled, H square will be remain because H is very less than 1. So H will be equal to root of KH. Okay, all time if one is weak, we will be getting root of KH by C. When both are weak, you will not get at all concentration. Okay, and to calculate H plus, okay, we don't have any H plus here, right? So H plus we can make it as subject here. H plus will be equal to Ka into HCN by Cn minus, and we know the HCN concentration from here. HCN is we know the HCN concentration from here. So HCN is equal to CH, Cn minus concentration is equal to C minus CH. So CH by C minus CH. If you take C common, CC will be cancelled. 1 minus H. H is very less, so it is Ka into H. And H plus concentration is equal to Ka into what is H value? Root KH. Okay, H plus is equal to Ka into H value, root of KH is nothing but KW by Ka into Kb. So K is cancelled, so that you will be getting KW, root of KW into Ka by Kb. This is how you will be getting the H plus concentration. Right, students? All these things, it has been given in a single set. Let us take one question and we shall stop this one. Weak acid plus weak base, it forms salt. HA, it is something weak acid, it has taken as BOH as weak base, and pKa, it is taken as 3.2, pKb is taken as 3.4. Find the pH of this solution. H plus is nothing but root of Kw into Ka by Kb. Apply negative log H plus. If you send this one entire thing, it will become whole power half. Negative log Kw into Ka by Kb. If you bring this one, it will become half. If you turn negative log inside, it becomes negative log Kb. This is into right, so it becomes plus minus log of Ka. This one in denominator, it should be generally, if it comes into the top, it should be minus, but here negative is there, so it becomes plus, so it becomes plus log Kb. So 1 by 2, 14 plus P, negative log Ka is pKa 3.2 minus 3.4, so half of 14 minus 0.8, it will be 13.8 by 2, it is equal to 6.9. Okay, students, all in the conclusion I am giving in the single pattern. See, for strong acid and strong base, you doesn't have anything. Okay, and you are going for weak acid plus strong base. H is equal to root of KH by C, H is equal to root of KH by C, and here H is equal to root KH. And here KH into Ka is equal to W, here KH into Kb is equal to W, here KH into Ka into Kb is equal to Kw. Okay, here H plus concentration is equal to root of Kw into Ka by C. Here H plus is equal to root of Kw into C by Kb. See, you remember here, whenever acid comes, it will be on the top, or whenever base comes, it will be in the denominator. Here concentration terms are present, but here you will not get any concentration terms. See, so see, Ka is the numerator, so Ka is in the numerator, Kb is here in denominator, so Ke in the denominator. No concentration. C will be cancelled, the combination of these two. Okay. On whole, you are getting the salt hydrolysis. It is done in this pattern. So all the best, students. Prepare well for the exams. Thank you.